Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to empty out a Dyson vacuum. So the Dyson vacuum that I have is the one that looks like this here. So being familiar with how it looks like, you're going to have this red latch on top that has the trash can icon. And all you've got to do is grab your trash can and then pull it from the top and it should go ahead and empty out. After, press it downwards, and there you have it. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and empty out a Dyson vacuum. And again, keeping in mind the model of Dyson vacuum that I have, it looks like this. It has a red latch on top. Pull that latch so that all the dust empties out from the bottom, and then just go ahead and shut it closed and securely. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to empty out your Dyson vacuum, depending on which model you have, let me know in the comments down below. It's rather fairly simple, and yeah, I've had no problems with it whatsoever. In addition to that, you could also pull out the filter from the top if you don't want to wash out the filter, but I'll go ahead and save that for another video.